If you're a fan of hot chocolate, well, guess what? You can have hot chocolate in the summertime. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero to show you how to make a frozen keto hot chocolate. Let's get started. Today's recipe is going to be an easy, delicious frozen treat that you can drink in the summertime. We're making a frozen hot chocolate using ChocZero's baking chips. This recipe is very easy to make and it only involves 3 ingredients. To start, we're going to whip up our cream. So in a small bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Whip it up until medium to stiff peaks form, and then we're going to refrigerate it. Next, we're gonna work with our chocolate. So here I have around 6 ounces of chocolate that we're gonna melt. Now you can melt this in the microwave, put it in a glass bowl and melt it at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's completely melted. Or if you don't wanna use a microwave, you could use the double boiler method, which is where you have a pot of boiling water on the bottom, place a glass or a metal bowl on top, and add your chocolate to the bowl and stir it. Keep stirring it just until it's all melted. So that's a method you could use in case you didn't want to use the microwave. Now your options for chocolate with ChocZero, you can use their milk baking chips, the dark ones, or the white chocolate chips, which would be good if you want to make a white frozen hot chocolate. After our chocolate is melted, next we're going to cool it down with some nut milk. So we're going to add about 1/2 cup of nut milk here, and you could use whatever nut milk you want. I'm going to be using macadamia nut milk just because it has a higher fat content and lower carb content, but you could use almond milk or coconut milk. Hemp milk would work too. Next, using a blender, we're going to add in our chocolate mixture with another 1/4 cup of nut milk along with 2 cups of ice. Blend this until the ice is pulverized and it's smooth. Pour this into some chilled glasses and top with a dollop of whipped cream. And now your frozen hot chocolate is ready. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your pictures of your keto frozen hot chocolate.